Plex. How to download movies. If you're a Plex user and you love watching movies offline, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to download movies on Plex so you can watch them without needing an internet connection. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, you can simply open the Plex app, or also you can go to the Plex website. Make sure you're logged into your account. After that, you can simply browse through the Plex library or use the search function to find the movie you want to download. You can simply search by genre, title, or any other filter that Plex offers. Let me search for something like Modern Family for right now. Now, what you need to know is not all movies on Plex are available for download. So, once you select a movie, check if there's a download option, if the movie is available for offline viewing or not. You'll see a little download icon if it's available, usually in the form of a downward arrow. Let me show you one that might be available. Okay. Here you can see the option called download over here, which is simply the downward arrow. Simply tap the download icon and Plex will start downloading the movie to your device. The download time will vary depending on your internet speeds and the size of the movie file. You can monitor the progress of your download in the download section of Plex. This will show how much simply video has been downloaded and how much is left. Now, if you need to free up some space, you can also delete download movies directly from the download section. And if you don't see the download icon for a movie, it's possible that the movie is not available for offline viewing. Some content on Plex may be not available for download depending on licensing restrictions. And that's it. Now you know how to download movies on Plex and